Hello and welcome back to the Ace of Trades. Thanks for coming out with me today. I apologize. I know I have not uploaded a video in several weeks, a little over 2 weeks to be exact. I've just wanted to take a break around the holidays. I honestly haven't really been doing a whole lot of trading myself. My portfolios have been pretty quiet recently, and I am in the process of switching over to TD Ameritrade and Webull for all of my options trading, and I'm just going to be using my Robinhood for mostly buying and selling shares, maybe some long calls and puts here and there, but really for the most part not a lot of options trading. And that's just due to the fact that Robinhood has a lot of guidelines that they require you to follow if you don't have a certain amount of assets, if you don't have certain levels of options trading on and that sort of thing, and they do punish you if you don't follow their guidelines very strictly, and it's just not a very fun atmosphere to be using when you're trying to get into some more advanced trading. So Webull and TD Ameritrade are going to be what I am using. So expect some videos from those brokerages here soon. So the purpose of this video, although it's going to be pretty quick and pretty short, has a very strong message. That we need to be watching NIO as their annual NIO Day comes up here January 9th. And a few things to keep in mind is if you've been following the EV stocks over the past month, you've probably seen this pullback that we've had. But the fact that we've been able to, still regain and sit at around $50 a share for NIO just shows how strong this stock is, even when it seems to be underperforming a little bit. And then obviously we had the rally of a few months ago and over the summer. But as we look at this week, if I have the relative strength index and the moving average pulled up, we could tell that NIO has been performing really well compared to the pullbacks lately. But they are still sitting at below what they once were around the end of November, about a month ago. So the importance of NIO Day is that, first of all, NIO likes to unveil a lot of new cars, new products, new features or services, things that will cause the stock to move very sharply in a very short period of time, potentially. Another thing is they actually moved NIO Day back to January 9th when it would usually be an end-of-year type of event. That wasn't able to happen due to coronavirus, I guess. So just the fact that it is being pushed back and it is very highly anticipated is really good for the stock. Even if the news that comes out of NIO Day isn't what investors are expecting, usually the hype of NIO Day and companies like this that perform, giant rallies around earnings or something like that, usually perform really well just because of the hype of it. And that's something to consider coming into the new year. So I would say your best bet here is look for some NIO calls between the 15th and maybe the 22nd or 23rd, whatever the expiring date is. And if you guys are going to buy some calls between 55 and 70, even some debit spreads over the money so you can pick them up cheap, pick up some debit spreads with a $500 max equity for 60 to 80 bucks. I was just out looking at them. I'd say that is a great investment right now. There's a very good chance that you're going to see profits there. And a lot of analysis are saying that as well, not even considering NIO Day. This is one of the softwares that I use. We are seeing potentially massive growth here in the beginning of the new year. And just a lot of new resistance levels are going to be posted. Not even considering NIO Day, the general growth from the last 30 days shows that NIO has a potential upside of around $53 within the next 14 days. I know they're sitting around $50 now. But the fact of the matter is, get out there, get some calls and debit spreads in. I'm going to be buying up some stuff. I'm really anticipating a lot of gain here. I'm not really thinking that this is going to dive. As I've said earlier, we've seen how NIO has come back from these drops over the past month, and I really don't think that this stock is going to be dropping below $50 here anytime soon, especially because of NIO Day coming up soon. And we should be expecting a lot. It's going to be really exciting. And if you guys enjoyed the content, please leave a like and subscribe and let me know what you thought in the comments. And I will be seeing you next time. I'm going to be getting into some more technical stuff here soon with some analysis. And I'm going to start from the beginning, and it's going to be great. I hope you guys are excited. Have a great day.